Well, we just opened up our sump pump here. It's making a huge racket. It's been running and running and running and running. Keep this up, it's going to overheat and burn out. Then our basement will flood. So we let it pump itself down, and it kept on going. So we unplugged it. So now we're going to have to take this thing out. I'm hoping it just needs to be cleaned up. A little corrosion removed off of it, and we can get this thing fired up, working again. Let's take her out. Let's see what we can find out. We're taking a look at the sump pump after we got it out. This has a diaphragm in it. Water goes up here, detects the pressure in here, and turns the sump pump on. When the pressure goes down, when the water's pumped out, the diaphragm turns the pump off. So this thing has been running constantly. So I'm assuming there's some dirt in here. We're going to clean this out. We're going to take the rest of these screws out. We'll get this cleaned up. Looks like that little hole in there could be dirty. We'll get it cleaned up. Put it all back together. Oh, we don't want water in there. Well, we got the diaphragm put back in here, cleaned up. Didn't look too bad. Don't know why it's not working. Put the screws back in, sealed it all up. We'll put it back in there. Hopefully we don't need a new diaphragm. We'll reconnect this back up to here. We'll put this gasket back on here. They're reconnected. Got it all tightened up. Let's plug it in here. And she's pumping. Hopefully it stops when the water's gone. Well, look at that. Stopped just perfect. Must have been a little dirt in there. Just needed to be cleaned up. Glad it worked. Didn't have to buy a new one. Hopefully it works for you guys too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project. Well, look at that. Stopped just perfect. Must have been a little dirt in there. Just needed to be cleaned up. Well, after running the sump pump for a little while there, started to have the same problem again. So obviously you'd have to order a new baffle and a new switch. The switch isn't working correctly. So I didn't want to compromise my basement and it not work. If something else went wrong, I decided just to get a brand new pump so I wouldn't have any problems in the future. I don't want to have to be repairing my basement from water damage. So had to get a new pump, put the new pump in, running like new. No worries about it. It's all going to work. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next project.